In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow to images using Canva. Perfect for beginners eager to up their design game. Let's get started by heading over to Canva's website and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see a menu panel on the left side. You'll want to click on the +Create button to start a fresh design. When prompted, we'll create a canvas that's 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is a great size for social media posts and will give us plenty of room to work with. After setting up our canvas, click on Create New Design to open up your workspace. Look to the left panel and hover over it. There, you'll find an option called Uploads. Click on it, and from here, you can either upload a new photo that you want to work on or select an image you've previously uploaded. Simply drag this image onto your canvas to start editing. Next up, we're going to remove the background to focus solely on the subject of your image. With your image selected, click on the BG Remover tool. The system will take a moment to process, but soon your background will be gone, leaving you with just the subject. The following steps involve duplicating your image. Right-click on the image, and you'll see an option to Duplicate. This copy will help us create the shadow effect we're aiming for. On this duplicated image, hover over to the floating tool menu and select Edit. As you scroll down through the editing options, locate the Filters section. Let's have a look at all options by clicking on See All. We'll focus on the Mono section, specifically select Noir. This will turn the duplicate image into a solid black silhouette, which is essential for crafting the shadow. Once you have your Noir image, let's adjust it a bit more. Return to the Edit tool and select Adjust. Here, you want to tweak the lighting to its darkest setting. This ensures our shadow will look prominent against the original image. After you've fine-tuned the lighting, head back yet again to the Edit section and find the Effects tool. Click on Blur. With the whole image selected, adjust the intensity of the blur. This step is crucial as it will give the shadow a softer, more natural look. Once you're satisfied with how blurry it is, it's time to arrange the layers. Right-click on this shadow image, choose Layer, and send it to the back. This will place your shadow behind the original image, completing the effect. And there you have it, a seamless shadow effect on your image using Canva. This simple technique can add depth and realism to your designs, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Feel free to experiment with different levels of blur and intensity until you find the perfect shadow for your project. Enjoy your newly enhanced design skills, and thanks for watching.